Hi guys, and I hope you're doing well. So I made mahamri and they were so delicious, and I'm going to share with you on this video how you can make such a soft and delicious mahamri at home. So I started by adding all-purpose flour into a bowl, and you can see the quantities. I have listed them, and then I went ahead and added instant yeast, and then I added sugar. You can add the amount of sugar that you're comfortable with. I added cardamom powder. You can add your favorite spice if you like, and then you're going to give this a good mix. And after mixing, I added salt, and I continued to mix, and then after that I went ahead and added an egg. You do not have to add an egg if you do not have it at hand, but it makes the mahamri very delicious. So I went ahead, mixed that like you see here, before going ahead to use warm water. Be sure to use warm water or warm milk just to activate the yeast. And you're going to mix first with a spatula like you see on the video before going in with your hands to make a soft dough. And to make the kneading process even easier, I added a little amount of cooking oil, and when the dough is ready it bounces back when you press it down. So you're going to put oil into a bowl, and then you're going to put your dough and cover it and leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes. And 5 minutes later you can see the dough had begun rising. So I just went ahead and removed it from the cut it into small balls like you see here. And after cutting to your preferred sizes of balls, just take one ball at a time, and then you're going to roll it out like you see here before cutting that into triangles like you're going to see me doing for the rest of the video. And I found this to be an easier way to make even the triangles instead of rolling the whole dough out and then starting now to cut the triangles. And then you can see all the triangles that I got. So just cover them and leave that for 5 minutes before going ahead to deep fry them. And before you deep fry, be sure to check whether the oil is ready. And once you put a mwiko, you should see bubbles from the oil. That's how you know that the oil is ready. So once the oil was ready, I just went ahead and started adding the mahamri like you can see here. And guys, it was my first time ever trying to make my mahamri, and I loved the outcome. It was so easy. So definitely the second time I'm going to do much better, especially when it comes to cutting. I should have cut smaller ones, but still they were delicious, even as big as they look. So just go ahead and turn the mahamri to the other side, and you're going to continue deep frying this until you get a golden brown color. Guys, these mahamris were so delicious. I really loved them. And if you have any other spice like cinnamon or cardamom, it would be perfect, but the cardamom spice even give it an extra kick. They were so good, and I'm going to show you here. As I cut the mahamri, you can see how soft they were. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you try out this recipe, and I hope you like it, and I hope to see you on my next video. Be sure to watch another video on this channel, and until next time, bye bye.